It's summertime and it's time for barbecue. And we need a light drink to go with it. How about making at home? Sangria, or its almost no alcohol equivalent, Tinto di Verano. Manang and Yaya like it. You too will like it. Join me here at the garden and I'll show you how to make these two summer drinks. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Join me here at the garden for some learning and fun, here on Channel 1. It's just hot. The temperature reads that it's 32 today, but that's no problem because we're making a cooling drink. It's sangria, perfect for the summer. Why buy it if you can make it at home? And we're making it at the garden. We're featuring our summer fruits. This is not enough, so I bought from the store, to be honest. This is not enough. This is our first harvest. And that introduces us to the things we need. Orange juice. For me, it's freshly pressed juice, but you can use instant or even juice from the store. Red wine, did I tell you about this? Red wine and soda, Lemo, lime, or Sprite. Let's start. We are at the garden, we don't have the right utensils, so please understand. But it's doable. No excuse for not doing it. Thank you, Madam Grace. Thank you, Madam Grace, for putting some order. It's good.
Kainap. Oh, not good.
Oh. This is not good. This is not good. So,
pick some apple, no?
well, no, it's good, it's good. We'll just use this. Anyway, this is for garnishing. Use a cheap wine. It's a shame to be mixing it with something else. So I'll keep this for another recipe. Oh, Madam Grace has found a replacement for our apple. So let's get interrupted and add more apples. Good. And just 1 cup of our freshly squeezed orange. Note the ratio. It was this, 1 bottle, 1 cup orange, 1 cup lemon lime. I almost forgot. Just decorate it with orange slices. If you are interested in this drink, I'm sure you too are interested in Spain, where this drink originated. I have videos on places, events, and cultures at the other channel, May Barrio May Mundo. Just like this: Córdoba, Granada, Sevilla, Toledo, and the Sagrada Familia, and more. See you there! And back to our Spanish summer drink, sangria. And I haven't told you about this. We need ice cubes. What's a summer drink without ice cubes? Di ba, Manang Grace? And we're trying to be as traditional as possible. Now this looks like sangria. It's time to serve. Of course, I have to get the glasses. Slowly. Okay.
Pinagas ka? Dito lang eh.
Picture
Wow. Wow. Pursik ka.
So, sangria made at home, to be exact, at the garden. Simple to make it at home. Don't buy. Mahal na ngayon ang bilhin. Gumawa. Be self-reliant. Why buy it if you can make it? So, as always a privilege and honor, Manang Grace does the first taste.
Prove it.
Manang Grace. Okay.
Wow.
Tama na.
It's lekker fresh.
Okay.
Yeah?
And,
Lekker?
of course, it's for our cameraman as well.
Lekker hè?
Yeah.
Lekker sangria.
Good.
Ja, nu.
Manang Grace just told me that she cannot finish this because she wants to be easy on alcohol. So there's an option for sangria-like drink, but with less alcohol. Let's make that for Manang Grace, exclusively for her. It's called Tinto di Verano, or red wine of summer.
Oh, yeah.
That's the name. Tinto di Verano. And it's easy. It's easy. Exclusively for my Manang Grace. Just the same portion, 1:1. One part red wine and one part lemon lime or Sprite. So this is for Manang Grace.
Oh,
The
yeah.
lighter version of sangria. It's called Tinto di Verano.
Ja, dat is genoeg.
Zullen we daar eens een bellen? Die staat aan de poort.
Yeah? That's good. Okay, for my Manang Grace. The lighter version, Tinto di Verano. And thank you for joining us here today at the garden. So, make sangria at home. Don't buy it. Make it. It's easy.
Ja.
The perfect summer drink.